how to create a SoundCloud account. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So in order to create an account in SoundCloud, you need to first download and install SoundCloud application on your device. For that, you have to open up your Google Play Store, and right after opening, you'll be able to see the search bar in the upper section. Simply tap on that and search for SoundCloud, and you have to install it on your device. Once you install up the app, you have to open it up, and after opening, you'll be able to see this interface. In the lower button, there are two options: create an account, and I already have an account. Since we are trying to create an account, you have to go for create an account option, and here are three options for creating an account. You can either sign up with Google, Facebook, or if you are iOS user, then you can sign up using Apple. You can also enter your email and password and you can directly sign up. Here I am continuing for Google. If you have chosen Google, then you need to select your Gmail account with which you want to create your SoundCloud account, and you have to enter your age and gender over here. Once you're done, go for continue, and in this section you need to choose your display name, and you can also add your photo to personalize your profile. In order to add photo, you have to simply tap on profile option, and here will be two options display: take photo and choose from library. If you want to take your recent photo, then you can go for take photo option. You can also choose your photo from your gallery or library. Once you are done, you can go for save and continue option. And here are the cookies and tracking of SoundCloud, which you have to go for I accept option. You can also read this all. And after doing that, you can see your account has been created. You can see your profile at the right upper corner. So this is how you create SoundCloud account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.